is Sarah Clausen, and I'm a mentor for Beyond Education. I just wanted to take some time to share some tips about how you can use your environment at home to help promote and encourage reading. So my first tip is to go on walks with your child and to read street signs, maybe the names of businesses, or perhaps bumper stickers on cars to help kids kind of connect the real world to the words that they read and make meaning out of it. The second tip I have for you is to use items inside your home. Say, for example, you're cooking and you can ask them to help you find something in the pantry. Say you need to look for spaghetti, then you can say, please go find me the spaghetti sauce, and they would have to look for something that starts with the letter S and sound out spaghetti. You can also use words around your house. You might have bags from stores, games, books, anything really. There's lots of words everywhere. So just encourage them to use their environment that they have at hand, and there's a lot of great resources that it can provide. I hope this helps, and y'all have a great day. Thank you.